Hi, I'm Mr. Worker. Introducing the Wiha 38613 screwdriver with Bit Magazine LiftUp Electric, your ultimate partner for electrical tasks. This tool saves you 75% in volume and 50% in weight, all while delivering 100% efficiency. Safety is paramount, and with every blade stowed securely inside the handle, you can work without worry. Each Wiha 38613 is individually tested at 10,000 volts AC, providing full protection for your peace of mind. Need to access deep-set screws? The Wiha slimBits ensure you can reach those tricky spots with ease. And with the innovative Bit Magazine, you can quickly access 6 standard slimBits at the press of a button. Talk about convenience. The time-tested ClicFix holder guarantees that your bits are locked in securely, transforming this screwdriver into an all-purpose tool. Experience ergonomic design and optimal grip with the Wiha 38613, your go-to choice for safety and efficiency on the job.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.